The alternator on that intercooler pipe is not connected yet. You can see the alternator is not working. It is powered by the battery at the moment. But one thing I need to know, the built engine works. Okay. No vibration. Everything good. So once we will see there's no bubbles in there's no bubbles, that means the head gasket is intact. So it is powered by the booster at the moment. No alternator running because I need to know if this engine will start. Luckily it starts, it's running. So the pipe there, exhaust is not connected yet. A lot of these things not connected. The turbo intercooler is not connected. The alternator belt is not connected. So it's run by the battery right now. Okay. And then the coolant here, there is no bubbles. So that means the head gasket is sealed intact. So this is guys in rebuilt BMW vans. Okay. No vibration and everything. Very good. Very good. Ma-start bago ako ibalik, parang overtime na to. So marami pa itong gagawin. I think it's 1 hour to go on the next week, and this will start to run, dry run or road test. Okay, so we're good. Coolant still intact, no bubbles. That's a good sign. Okay. So we're gonna have to stop now the engine because very exhaust pipe there is not connected. Oh. I just need to know if the engine starts and it runs. It starts. So yung turbo intercooler hindi pa natin na-connect. Marami pang nito, marami pang yung kanyang engine mount and everything. Okay. It's a good thing. Engine running. And there's no vibration. No vibration. Meaning everything good. Napaka pinakamahirap nito ang wiring harness po. The biggest challenge in the history is the wiring harness in this one. Very too many connectors, too many sensors and everything. Okay. So, we're good. We're good. That's the engine rebuild.